In this question from the chapter Set Theory, it says in an examination, 80% of the students passed in mathematics and 72% passed in science, while 13% failed in both subjects. Further, it says if 325 students passed in both subjects, find the total number of students. So what you can see that some information, first two information is in terms of students passed, and this is in terms of failed. So what we are going to do is to find everything in terms of the number of students failed. Now check here, if 80% of the students has passed in mathematics, we can say that the number of students here I'm considering the number of students failed in terms of percentage, right, is if 80% has passed, then the number of students failed has to be 100 minus 80. Clearly, it is 20%. Similarly, if I take for science, since 72% has passed in science, then the number of students, say B, failed will be remaining, that is 28%. Further, we see that the students who failed in both subjects is 13%. Both is what, which is the common, right? That is N of A intersection B is 13. Now, from here, what we conclude that we know that N of A union B means either A or B. We can use this formula, that is, which is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now, if I apply this formula, we can find out the number of students who failed either in maths or in science, which is N of A, replacing N of A with 20, say in terms of percentage only, N of B as 28, and minus N of A intersection B, which is 13 here. So we get this how much? This is 48 minus 13, that is 35%. So what do we get to know from here? That the number of students who, in terms of percentage only, the percentage of the students who either failed in maths or science or maybe both is 35. So we can say, therefore, we can see the number of students who passed in both subjects, right? Passed in number of students passed in both subjects has to be what? So these are the number of percentage of students who failed either in maths or science or both. So we can conclude that the remaining, that is 65%, must have passed in all two subjects. Now see here, this is what we know, that we have 35 students, 325 students who passed in both subjects. So considering the number of students, total number of students, considering the total number of students as X, what we can conclude that 65% of X is equal to 325. Now this is 65% is what? 65 over 100 of is multiplied is 325. So this is what? 325. We can reduce it. This is 513 times 520 times. So this will come as 20 over 13. Now 13, 22 times 5 times. So we get X is equal to 25 into 5, that is 50, 500. So we say that the total number of students which we have to calculate is 500. Now you can even use a Venn diagram to solve it, or you can use this formula.